Hey guys, Matt here, 88H VAC, and we are looking at some Viega Mega Press, made in good old Deutschland. These wacky Germans coming up with all sorts of crazy stuff. Press fitting for a natural gas pipe. Pretty cool. Got a reducer, 90, 1-inch T, 1/1/2 inch going back. Yeah, man, pretty cool stuff. Great for retrofitting. Couplers, 90s. They got everything. One tool does everything for me. Copper, gas, refrigeration, and hydronic steel piping. Alright, that's it. So these things aren't cheap, gotta warn you. Maybe like 40 bucks a piece for those 1-inch T's, 30 something bucks for that 90, 15 bucks for this 3/4 90. But look, man, you cut and crimp, no threading, easy peasy. Alright, man, take it easy. 88H VAC out.